I wanna see the light.
Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stephany Rene here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my fun and flirty Valentine's Day date night look. This is something that I'm actually planning to do myself for Thursday night because we're going out to celebrate, of course, because I'm married. And not only is it Valentine's Day, which is a huge day in itself, but it is also our 3-year anniversary, our 2nd anniversary of when my husband proposed to me. So it's a loaded day for us. Now, this is not just something that you have to have a man to wear. Like, if you and girls are going out, this would be another little fun and flirty, sparkly look for you and your gals. So if that's something you'd like to see, then let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so as you can see, I've already got my face for the most part done except for my brows and my eyes. I thought I would start out with my eyes first. So first things first, let me pin my hair back out of my face. I'm going to use my Jaclyn Hill palette. Please excuse how dirty this is. This is when she first launched it before it had the different cover on it. And I'm going to go in with this transition shade right here. So with that 3rd shade in the palette, I'm just gonna go in and buff this in the crease. And if you don't have the Jaclyn Hill palette, that's totally fine. You can use whatever you have, just something that has similar colors to it, whether that be Elf or, you know, Marc Jacobs or whatever the heck you've got. Now that I've got my transition shade down, I think I'm gonna go in and deepen up my crease with this shade right here. So I'm gonna go in on the same fluffy blending brush and just deepen my crease. Now that we have deepened our crease with that 2nd shade, as you can see, we've got quite a bit more definition here. The next color I'm going to go in with is actually this shade right here on a slightly smaller and denser blending brush, because I'm going to take that color and I'm going to focus it like right here in the outer V and really like diffuse it and blend this out. Alright, now that we've placed that 3rd color down, I'm going to go back in with our original blending brush, but I cleaned it off really good with a paper towel, so there's no color, no product on it, and I'm just going to take that brush and I'm just going to go over this in short little windshield wiper motions, just to make sure that there's no harsh lines and that everything is nice and blended. Alright, and now that that is done, I'm going to go in with our final dark shade before we start tapping into the glitter. So I'm going to go in with this shade that is directly below the shade we just used, or below it, directly next to the shade we just used. So this deep kind of like wine red color, it's really pretty, and I thought it would be a great shade for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to take that deep wine color that I just said on more of an angled blending brush, because I really just want to focus this right on that outer edge right there. So just to make sure there's no harsh lines, I am going to go back in with that first brush we used. Just a nice fluffy blending brush with no product on it, and you're just going to want to diffuse any harsh lines that there may be, which if you've blended every step like I've said, you shouldn't really have any. Alright, now that we have got that last and final dark shade down into our outer V, I guess that's what it's called, it's time to start playing with the glitter. And first things first, I want to lay down a nice glitter shade from the palette first before I put the glitter topper on top of it. I'm going to go in with this shade right here in the palette. I love this shade. I think it'll really help brighten this eye up, because right now we are rather dark. So I'm actually going to use my finger, because I've had this palette for over a year, and I feel like this is the best way to apply these. Gives you the most payoff and it makes them the most shiny. So I'm just going to go right in and I'm going to focus this shade right here on this part of my eye, and if I need to, I might have to go back in with one of the darker shades to create kind of a nice ombre look. But first things first, let's apply this. Now I only like to take it about halfway. I do not like to take it further out because I like that depth out there, but you can lightly pat it to add just a little bit of sheen, but nothing that will take away from that dark color. So the next thing we're gonna do is we are gonna go in with this Morphe liquid eyeshadow that's just straight glitter. It reminds me a ton of the Stila, however you say it, Magnificent Metals that come in the tube, but this is way cheaper. But all you have to do is, it is literally just like the Stilas. It comes out on a little doe foot applicator, and as you can see, it is extremely sparkly. Here, I'll give you guys a little swatch. As you can see, it is like so shiny. It's so gorgeous.
I wanna see the light.
Now that I have finished applying the glitter, I am going to quickly go in and curl my lashes as well as apply mascara and a pair of lashes. I think the lashes that I'm going to go in with today are, I think I'm going to go in with these FauxMink ones. These just look so pretty and so long and fluffy and very soft. So I think that's what I'm gonna go in with. So 1 second, I'll be right back and it'll be like totally different, I promise you. All right, I'm back. As you can see, everything looks kind of totally very dramatic and very different, and that is because of these lashes. So now the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with the same number of shades that I used before, go in on a pencil brush and lightly buff them under my eye. Alright, now that we've got our lower lash line all buffed out, I'm just going to apply some mascara, and then we're going to move on to brows, which I'm going to just speed right through because I've done my brows a million times. So next time you'll see me, we're going to be doing our lipstick. Lashes, brows, everything is done. It looks quite different than it looked before, and that is because lashes and brows made a world of difference. But I am loving this look, and I'm so excited for Valentine's Day now. The last thing I have to do is apply some lipstick, and I think I'm going to go in with this nice pinky nude shade. I think this will be really pretty and neutral, and plus it's a liquid lip. It is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lip. I love these. They smell like vanilla candy and they last forever. Like, I have gone out and eaten like a super greasy hamburger and it stayed on. So I'm gonna apply this really quick.
I wanna see the light.
Lipstick is done. As you can see, I think it goes really cute with this outfit as well as this makeup look. The last thing I'm going to show you guys is I did really quickly just take my hair down, and that is because I want to show you guys this super easy hairstyle that I think is great for like a night out, work, just everyday life if you want your hair out of your face but you don't feel like putting all of your hair up. This is something I do all the time, and I've actually done this on my channel before, but I never actually really showed you guys how I do it. What I'm going to do is, it's kind of what you saw my hair up like when I was just doing my makeup, but I'm just going to take a little section, a little front section, and I'm going to twist it like this, and I just pull it back and pin it into the back of my head with 2 bobby pins. I just do like little crisscross that keeps them safe and from untwisting. As you can see, it's just cute and twisted. And then I'm going to do the same thing to this side. I'm just going to take like my bangs and a little piece that's a little longer than my bangs that kind of basically goes with it, and once again I'm just going to twist it back, and then I'm just going to pin this on the back of my head as well. Super easy, super quick. Looks like you've put a lot of effort when you really all you've done is just like taken like 5 seconds to twist your hair back. But I love this look. I do this a lot, especially on a date night. But yeah, this is pretty much going to be my Valentine's Day hair and makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys like this. Let me know what you did for Valentine's Day. What are you and your significant other doing? It's still kind of up in the air what we're doing. I don't know if my husband is surprising me, or like, I don't know what's going on. But we are doing something. I'll let you guys know on Friday's video what we're gonna do. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below and join our little fam. And I'll see you guys on Friday's video. Love you guys. Peace out.